I have worn this nation's uniform. I have served under its flag in times of peace and in times of profound national crisis. I have watched from the inside how Zimbabwe's security architecture thinks, breathes, and makes decisions. Tsarabena mashkobda toka panapa na retired General Winston Skauki Mapranga achiti the day General Chiwenga is declared president, Zimbabwe will unite as one nation. People subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa inaungurani kwa mchenzi. I have watched from the inside how Zimbabwe's security architecture thinks, breathes, and makes decisions. I have seen governments rising and governments stumble. I have seen men of great promise disappoint and men of quiet resolve deliver beyond all expectations. It is from that vantage point, not as a politician, not as a partisan, but as a soldier who gave the better part of his life to his public, that I make the following observation plainly and without apology. The day retired General Chiwenga Kuvea Dominic Chiwenga is declared president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, this nation will unite as one people. This is not a prediction made lightly. It is a conclusion drawn from decades of watching this country, understanding its people, and knowing the singular character of the man in question, who is General Kostano Chiwenga. Before we speak of his political destiny, we must speak of the man himself, because in Zimbabwe's public discourse, General Chiwenga has too often been reduced to a caricature, either an indispensable kingmaker or a dangerous rival, depending on who is doing the reducing. Both framings miss the truth entirely. General Chiwenga is first and foremost the son of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. He did not inherit power. He earned authority through sacrifice, through discipline, through the kind of institutional commitment that is increasingly rare in our public life. He rose through the ranks of the Zimbabwe National Army, not because of patronage, but because of performance. He commanded respect, not because it was demanded from him, but because it was given to him freely by men who had seen him under pressure and found him unbreakable. Doma development mashukana toka pamusoro pa VP Constantino Chiwenga atikuona kuti retired our general Sigauke vanoya vachiti aiwa, the day is coming when VP Constantino Chiwenga is going to be endorsed as the nation's president. Pinda comment section where there's a full email to the pamusoro pechitiko each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.